Welcome to Inspire Africa. Through our clients' experiences, we've taken the learnings of schools across the country to create a unique 3D printing program for education. 3D printing is a rapidly expanding field, and the processes build three-dimensional objects from a CAD model or computer-aided design model. 3D printing has many applications in education, and with the rapidly increasing popularity of this 4IR technology, it will become increasingly a part of our lives in the future and is creating positive change in education. It's an enabling technology that encourages and drives innovation and provides one with the unprecedented opportunity to design anything using advanced modeling tools. Some of the main benefits including making learning hands-on, solving real-world problems, creating inventors and engaging reluctant students, and most importantly, it's integrated with a wide subject matter and exposes students to vital 4IR technologies.
The Inspire Africa 3D printing program is a 3D printing solution unlike any other. This exciting educational product comprises 5 main components: hardware instruction and familiarization, educator training, a growing set of subject-specific lesson plans across a variety of subjects, a 3D printing core curriculum, and a database of 3D models relevant to the South African school curriculum for grades 3 to grade 12. Inspire Africa offers a range of 3D printers in our package depending on your budget. But even if your school already has 3D printers, we do offer a curriculum-only solution. Join our growing STEAM school community and teach your students the relevance and importance of 4th Industrial Revolution technologies and expose them to the career opportunities that they present.